Welcome to our channel. PTC Creo is a comprehensive 3D software, and I will be learning it step by step. Subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Please leave a comment on my video if you like. In this video, we will learn how to create a 25mm drill model using the helical command in PTC Creo and how to design a form tool to produce it. We will discuss various parts of the drill, including the shank, drill length, web, margin, cutting lips, and chisel. Additionally, we will showcase realistic renderings of the drill. Helical sweep. Length of drill. Design a form tool and pitch. If you enjoy the video, please leave a comment. Cutting lips and chisel. Axis pattern 2 in 180 degrees. Now we will redesign the margin portion. My first 10 videos are basic tutorials on PTC Creo. Please watch my first 10 videos for basic 2D sketching, because without it, we cannot create 3D models. So, 2D is very important. If you enjoy my video, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.